Students, now in this video I am explaining you algebra linear equation, which is a part of algebra. Okay, so first we will discuss about what is a linear equation. So equations are a fundamental part of maths and an important tool for problem solving. So with the help of equations we can do different word problems as well as equations, or we can simplify equations. An equation is a mathematical sentence. It is a mathematical sentence. Why it is so? Because it is a combined form of different operation. They can come in the form of plus, minus, multiplication, division, as well as equal sign, different type of brackets. Okay, so an equation is a mathematical sentence which indicates the two expressions have the same value. The expressions are connected with equal sign. Every time they are connected with equal sign. Okay, so on left hand side there will be some algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means they will be combined with different variables, different operations, as well as different constant. And on the same side RHS, on the same side on RHS also. So the left side, which is known as LHS of an equation, is on the left hand side of the equal sign. Okay, so this is equal sign, so some expression will be on the LHS and some expression will be on the RHS. These expression will be combined form of operations. Operations means plus, minus, multiplication, division. Okay, as well as different type of brackets, as I have told you, this and this bar also. And on the right hand side this will be same. Okay, we can often convert a worded problem into an equation. Yes, word problem, we can convert word problem into an equation, then we solve it so that we can easily find the value of a variable. So we can often convert a word problem into an equation, then follow a formal procedure. Follow a formal procedure means as we will do while doing solving an equation, to solve the equation and hence the problem. A solution of an equation is a value of the variable. Solution of an equation means you have to find the value of the variable. So value of the variable means variable can come in any form. They can come in form of x, y, z, t, w. Okay, so every time you have to find the value of this, value of the variable. Variable means whose value will become every time it is changing. Now we are seeing inverse operation. So just by its name you can easily judge. Inverse means they are opposite to each other. So an inverse operation is a mathematical operation which undoes the effect of another, means they are opposite to each other. Okay, as we say addition, so addition and subtraction, they are inverse operation. As well as if we say about multiplication and division, so they are again inverse operation, means they are opposite of each other. Okay, now we are doing some little problems which are based on linear equation. Whatever they will say in your question, you have to do the same in your solution. Okay, so first question is, write down the equation which results when we add. So what we add, they will give you in question. Okay, so first is 3 to both sides, and this is equation. So here you are seeing this is equation. So this is equation and it is combined form of, variable and constant. Yes, and what is variable here? So variable is x, and what are constant? So 2 and 3, they are constant in this particular question. So now they are saying 3 to both sides, so we have to add 3 to both sides. Okay, both sides means LHS and RHS both. Okay, so okay, we will do the same as they are saying. So in solution, first we will write our algebraic equation, our linear equation. Why it is known by linear equation? Because maximum power of variable is 1. Okay, or you can say that highest power of variable is 1, or you can say degree. Okay, so there are different names, so learn those names also, degree or highest power. So if highest power of variable is 1, then we will say that it is a linear equation. Okay, so according to question, what we are doing, we are adding both sides 3. So x minus 3 plus 3 is equals to 2 plus 3. So they are opposite of each other. See, on left hand side they both are opposite of each other, so they will cut and they will become add. So we get x is equals to 5. So final answer, x is equals to 5. Now see next. In next they are saying 9 to both sides of x minus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, so on LHS it is x minus 9, so x minus 9 will be add up with 9, as well as on right hand side 0 plus 9. So this 9 and this 9 will cut. So on left hand side we get x, and on right hand side 0 plus 9 is equals to 9, because 0 is the additive identity. Remember, 0 is additive identity. Okay, and whenever 0 is add up in any number or digit, so we get number itself. So because of this we are getting 9. Now third one, 4 to both sides of 5x minus 4 is equals to 11. Okay, so according to question we will add 4 on both the sides. Now this 4 minus 4 and plus 4 will become 0, so we get only 5x, and on the right hand side 11 plus 4 is 15, so we get 15. Now in this there is a between 5 and x there is a multiplication. So on the when we will transform it, or when 5 will go on the other side, so it will be in division. So 15 divided by 5, so x is equals to 3. Okay, next, 5 to both sides of 7x minus 5 is equals to x plus 1. Okay, so we are adding plus 5 and plus 5 on both the sides. So this will become 0, because minus 5 plus 5 will become 0, because they are opposite to each other. Okay, but here it will be add up with 1, so we get x plus 6. Now 7x and x, they are like terms, so whenever you will see like terms, so just do on means you can take on one side. Okay, so like term x, 7x and x, so they will come on the LHS side. So we get 6x, and here 6 is alone, because why it is different from these, because it is constant, and 7x and x, they are variable. Okay, so we get 6x is equals to 6, and now here it is multiplication, so it will be divided by 6 is divided by 6, and we get final answer in x is equals to 1. Okay, now we are doing next question. Write down the equation which results when we divide both sides. So here we have to divide, and they will say in sub question by which number or by which digit. So in first, 4x is equals to minus 40 and divided by 4. So 4x divided by 4 we are doing in LHS, and the same thing we are doing in RHS. Minus 40 divided by 4. So this 4 and this 4 will cut, and we get x. So x is equals to minus 10. Now in second, minus 2x is equals to 18 and divided by minus 2. So minus 2x divided by minus 2, minus minus plus, and 2 will cut, and we get x only. And on right hand side, when 18 divided by minus 2, we get minus 9. So final answer will be x is equals to minus 9. Next question, 3 bracket open 2 minus x is equals to 15 and divided by 3. Okay, so this whole bracket along with 3 divided by 3, so 3 and 3 will cut, this will cut, and we get only 2 minus x. And on the right hand side again 15 divided by 3, so we get 5. Now transform 2 on this side because they are constant. So minus x is equals to 5 minus 2 and minus x is equals to 3. So what is the right way to find the value of variable? Just multiply with minus 1 on both the side. Minus 1 on both sides. So we get, on left hand side we get x, and on right hand side 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So final answer will be minus 3. Now next question, D. Minus 5 bracket open 2x minus 1 is equals to minus 55 and divided by minus 5. Okay, here you are seeing that minus 5 is out of bracket, and when we divide it by minus 5, so we get minus minus plus, my 5 will cut and we get 1. So only 2x minus 1 will be here. And on right hand side, when minus 55 divided by minus 5, we get 11. Now transform this minus 1. So whenever we transform it, so just remember that whenever you will transfer or whenever you will transpose the digit, they always go on the other side with their sign. So it will become 11 plus 1. So 2x is equals to 2 and 2, between 2 and x there is a multiplication sign, means like this. Okay, so whenever it will go on the right hand side, so 12 divided by 2 is 6. Clear? So this is all about of this video. Now important thing is what, that it is maths rule that whatever we do on the LHS, the same operation we will do on the right hand side. And while doing transpose sign, we will change, means plus will change in the form of minus, minus will change on the form of plus, as well as multiplication will change in the form of division, and division will change in the form of multiplication. Okay, so this is all about of this video. Hope this video will help you. Thank you.